Everybody, hope you're having a great day wherever you are. I decided to come out and go for a little bike ride because I got my new seat, so it's much more comfortable now. Anyway, I'll just take you guys on a little scenic tour of the trails out here by the Chippewa Nature Center. And the Chippewa Nature Center Visitor Center. It's open, but I'm not going to go in this time. Yeah, you can reserve these pavilions for your groups. Pretty cool. I don't know if they do this everywhere, but if you need all the bike tools, pumps, and everything. Most of the trails here are pedestrian foot traffic only. You can't take your bike. But this is the bike path, so it's okay. Up the road a little bit, there's a lookout tower for the wetlands. So I'm thinking of maybe when I'm done riding, I might just take the car up there and look around, because you can't bike. There's no trails to it, but it's not far by car. Welcome to Jurassic Park. They're about to redo the road, getting it ready to pave. Wow, this is awesome. I didn't even know this was here. There's the wetlands. And then even more over here. Wetlands observation tower view. It goes up another floor. I just came to this one because this is where the path led. All right, let's see if we can go up one higher. And here we are at the top, viewing the wetlands. I came up this trail and I accidentally took the handicap one. That's why it was so nice and level to the first level. But actually, you gotta come up all these stairs if you want to do the top. That's awesome. So as I said, they're always really good at making sure everybody can access the activities here and the views and the fun. Beautiful. That's how quiet it is. So this is where we are now, and I just was in the tower right here. So basically I had to get my car and drive down here and then to here. So hey everybody, thanks for joining the adventure. I am Mr. Shields, and that's Mr. Shields to you. Chippewa Nature Center area style. Whatever. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.